Di belakang tu orang kaya. Kena me. Belakang. Ipa. Mag itu.
Cantik cara sebasar. Yang kodati masa? Kan yang kodati oh. Yang nama kodati. Yang kuit mereka गड़बड़े मस्त रहे हो मैंने फोन हाल हो मौका पी
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಕ ಹೇಳಿ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
AC voltage regulator using BT136 TRIAC. Okay, this is the BT136 TRIAC. Okay, BT136 TRIAC first point. Okay, this is the BT136 first point is given to the resistor 220 ohm. Okay, this is the 220 ohm resistor. Okay, from 220 ohm resistor to 330 ohm resistor. Okay, here shown. Okay, from 330 ohm resistor to potentiometer first point and BT136 TRIAC third point. Okay, this 330 ohm resistor is given to 10k potentiometer first point and BT136 third point. Okay, BT136 base point. Okay, base point is given to 100k resistor. Okay, this is the 100k resistor connected base point and third point. Okay, here base point and from 10k resistor to BT136 third point and this is given to regulator first point. Okay, shown in this diagram. Okay, next 10k potentiometer second point is given to BT136 first point. Okay, second point of 10k potentiometer is given. Okay, this is the wire. Okay, here second point to BT136 first point. Okay, BT136 TRIAC first point is next given to neutral of the plug. Okay, this is the neutral point. Okay, it is given to the 2-pin plug. Okay, next BT136 TRIAC base point means second point is given to the lamp. Okay, this is the BT136 base point is given to lamp, from lamp to switch, from this lamp to 2-pin plug. Okay, this is given to socket. Okay, 2-pin socket. Okay, here is the 3-pin socket. This is the potentiometer, 10k potentiometer as a voltage regulator here. Okay, when we change its setting, means when we change its resistance, okay, it will change the voltage and okay, lamp glow and dark. Okay, this is the bright. Okay, when we resistance is low, potentiometer, okay, it is bright, and when potentiometer resistance is adding, means increasing, this lamp will glow dim. Okay, this is the dim. Okay, means BT136 here working as a voltage regulator. Okay, okay, this is our project. Okay, first time made on this channel.